Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 16 by 20 inch or approximately 40 by 51 centimetre canvas, and it's got nothing on it. I'm going to get rid of that water. Winston's just come in, and I'm going to do a ring pour. So I have crimson, deep cyan, blue, gold, white and black. So that's what I'm going to be using in this jug, and hopefully get something really pretty. We'll see how we go. Gold in them there jugs. The recipe for these paints and the pouring medium you'll find below the video under show more. And there's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us over there. There is no silicone in these colours at all, although there is Floetrol, so I might get a little cell or three. Not that that worries me in any way, shape or form. A bit more black and some white, and I've just about got enough, I think. A bit more black. I'll top it off with what's left of the blue because, as I said, I like this blue. Okay, that's all. That's my lot. Pros are outside. Now, here we go. I think I might do these. Oh, nice. Can't see my red very much. Must be there somewhere though. Pretty in there. Actually, I might just do that. That will help it rock and roll. And then put some black around the edge. Getting some cells. Didn't think I would. Always thought you sort of needed silicone to get cells. I need to run over those with my hands. How are you doing? Oh, a little bit. Oh, I can see what's in there. Ha! Alright, that's a shame. So, right. I'm just going to run this around a little bit. Doesn't matter if it smooches, it's going over the edge anyway, I think, most of it. Right, that should do the trick. I'll just get rid of this off my hands. And we'll see what we have. It's ever so pretty. Should just leave it like that, but It'd probably crack because I don't have any GAC 800 in it. Has not arrived yet. I've ordered some because I want to do one of those blob paintings. Oh, look at the gold. There you go. Thank you. Back. Put them down here. I'll take them over here first. Try not to lose too much of those little round bits there. She said as she loses most of it. I'm just getting it basically back to the middle, putting her down. Paint off under here, make sure the corners are done. That corner needs a bit on it. Right. Whew. Oh, what's that? Let me have a look. Yeah, go away. That's it. Right, I'll just do this, wiping off the hands. And then I'll torch it. We'll see what we have. I don't expect any too much cell activity at all. There's no silicone in there, but I do want to get the air bubbles out. I don't want to have air bubbles that create little volcanoes, little Mount Etnas. This one's very pretty. So, torch. Here we go. Pretty good. I think I'm going to take it down that way a bit more, and that's if it wants to go, and it does. Okay, come on. That might do it. Oops. Yes, that brought it around a bit more. I think that looks nicer. Just go around the bottoms. And there. A bit of gold. Waste not, want not. I think that's absolutely gorgeous. But I don't know about these. Now that I'm looking at them, you know, I think I'll take it back the other way and see if I can lose a bit of them. Never happy, eh? Then you come, see if it'll go down for me. Of course you will. some nice patterns on this alfoil. Over you go. I'm going to make some very nice jewellery pieces here. Okay. Alright. I think that does look a lot better now. I keep saying that, don't I? But it's true. Alright, and that gold is magnificent. So I'll bring you down to take a look, see what you think. I think I've told you everything. Pouring medium paint recipes down below under show more, along with the Facebook group Australia Art Dreaming. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, click the little bell, and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos. This is really pretty. You can see the gold. There it is. That's really nice. Another big lump of it there. And then little bits of it just coming through here and there, which makes it very interesting. That top corner. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed. Please give this a thumbs up. I do appreciate that. And I'll catch you in the next one. So bye for now.